Hey guys, today we're doing a video on my Ipsy monthly subscription bag. We're going to use a few of the items to create this whole look you see here today. So if you want to see how I made this look happen with my bag, stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's get started. As you can see, I'm sitting here prepping my lid with just my favorite concealer and blending it out with my finger. Next, we're going to go in with theBalm's Meet Matrimony palette and just add some colors to my lid for this eye look. I didn't show you guys this particular palette because I wanted this video to be strictly about the Ipsy's July Glam bag, but I will show you all those products. But any other products that I've used for this look will be listed in the comments down below for you. This is the Ellie Eden Pressed Eyeshadow in Harmony. It is a rosy peach shade with some shimmer to it. When I went to apply this, I added a setting spray to it to give it the extra pop on my lid so I can make sure that it really showed for you guys. I definitely love this eyeshadow. It was blendable and easy to use and definitely a great summer shade. Now the brush that I'm using to apply it is the IBY Beauty or Ibby Beauty. This is a eyeshadow fluff brush. The brush is super soft, dome shape, so it builds for blending and applying all your shadows. This is the Eyeko Skinny Travel Size Liquid Eyeliner in Carbon Black. This is a felt tip mini travel size eyeliner. It is made with nutrient-rich algae extract that helps hydrate and soften the delicate skin on your lids and gives it a smooth, glossy finish. I'm not used to a felt tip, so I really struggled applying this, but it is budge proof. It does not move once it's applied. It's nice and thick and smudge proof. For me, it dried more matte than it did glossy, but the color does definitely pack a punch like it says. Here, as you can see, I'm using the Ella Eden Press Shadow again, but I'm using it as a blush. It is very shimmery, but I have to say the color is really great for the cheek. This little bad boy is Half Cake Lip Fondant and Girl Crush. You guys know how much I love my liquid lips, and this one was just to die for. The color was amazing. The smell, I wish you guys could have smell-o-vision on these videos because it smelled remarkable. It goes on really evenly, really well. I really like the applicator because the way it's shaped, you can almost outline your lips with the way how precise the tip was, which is really great when I was applying it. Here we're going with ABH's Aurora Glotkit. I didn't show you guys this product as well just because it's not in my Ipsy Glam bag for you, but I really like this highlight so that I can have really a glowy look with this summery look with all the bright colors we have going on and whatnot. And here we are just using a stippling blush to blend all that highlighter out. We didn't look streaky or striped or anything at all, so make sure that everything is super blended and flawless. Alright guys, so here's the final look from our Ipsy's July Glam Black. I hope you really love this video and all the products that we've used. I really enjoyed all the products, especially that new liquid lip. Felt tip liner really wasn't my favorite, but me and felt tip liners have never been friends, and it has nothing to do with the brand. It has everything to do with me. So anyways, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!